a repair test for Carlos, Allstate. All right, we're going to begin right here. We're going to try do a repair without creasing the shingles, but I highly doubt it because these shingles are not good. They're bad. See, just trying to get it out. It's already creasing. See, it's already creasing. Shingles are already creasing. Let's go. Crease shingles everywhere. You have to get all the nails. And now we're going to replace it with a repair shingle, 3-tap shingle. And you're going to see in a second that they are not the same size. See, this is a repair. You can see the space right here. This is 39 inches, 39-inch shingles. They are not in the market. These are repair shingles, 37 inches. You can see right here. From the repair, these shingles are already getting creased. They're creasing, they're all creasing. The shingles are not good, so they're not repairable. You see the extra space right here? See, already creasing. 39 inch, 37 inch. Not repairable. Does not matter the age. These roofs, these shingles are bad. All of them are bad. You see the crease everywhere? You see the crease everywhere? See missing shingles right here? Missing shingles, missing shingles, missing shingles. Repair test. This is a repair. This is the repair shingle.